Welcome to the lesson on responding to tachycardia. In this video, we will discuss how to respond to tachycardic events. The initial management of tachyarrhythmia is to assess pulse and perfusion. First, identify and treat the underlying cause. To do so, maintain patent airway and assist breathing if necessary. If the individual is hypoxemic, administer oxygen. Cardiac monitor, identify rhythm. Monitor blood pressure and pulse oximetry. Administer intravenous and intraosseous access. Assess 12-lead ECG. For details on drug dosages and the Pediatric Tachycardia Algorithm, that is, Figure 15, please refer to your corresponding PALS manual. This concludes our lesson on responding to tachycardia. Next, we will review shock.